So, hello everybody, welcome to DrSwiss Moto, and today we start the day and the video in my garage for good reason. I'm gonna give you a garage update. This is Frankie, as most of you know him. We have the Tiger right here, and for 2023 I thought I'll make my life difficult and I got myself a new project bike. And here it is. The Ducati Monster 600 in all its glory. It's an old girl, it's 25 years old, so it's from 1998. It has problems, firstly because it's Italian, secondly because it's a Ducati and it's old, so that's what we are going to be tackling this year. I already have some parts for it. I have a battery, I have a taillight. It doesn't need a taillight, but I want to put a nice little taillight on it. So as you can see on the side and on the engine, it's like, I think the old battery, and that's why I got a new one, broke. And this is all like the acid from it. So it's supposed to run, but that's gonna be for the next video, for us to try and figure out plans for it. At this point it's just gonna be a full-on restoration of it and make it look absolutely fantastic. If I can keep this on this color, I will, if it cleans up all right. If not, then it will become gold or more gold. Everything that's yellow, it's gonna be black metallic, so don't worry. I already have a bunch of carbon parts on order, and yeah, it's gonna be a cool little project. We're gonna be even going into the engine and changing all the things that are inside of it, blah blah. And yeah, so stay tuned. On the next video we are gonna try and make it start. So we're gonna put the new battery in it. We're gonna put some fuel in it because it doesn't have any in the tank for some reason. And then we are gonna start the project. So stay tuned, because it's gonna be one of those projects that's gonna take a long time to do, because there are so many little things to do on this bike. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. So I don't know if you can see the vision that I have for it, but it's gonna be a very slick looking machine. So yeah, this is it. This is the new project. This is the thing that you can look forward to for this year. So last year I think it was, I did Frankie, and I think it turned out pretty good. And now we are gonna be doing Vittoria. That's the name I gave her because she's Italian and she's a girl. And she looks pretty as hell, look at that. So until next time, don't forget to buckle up, Buttercup, because it's gonna be a wild ride apparently. And stay tuned. And if you are looking forward to looking the restoration of this bad boy, just click the subscribe button. And don't worry, there are plenty of videos coming for this girl right here this year. So bye guys and girls, and thanks a lot for your support.